Hey guys, here is a quick review of the Uncle Bill's Sliver Gripper. These are the best tweezers I've ever used for getting splinters or slivers out of your fingers. I thought about how to demonstrate that without giving myself a splinter. I don't think there's really a great way to show that, but I can show you the machining here so you get the idea. If you look, you can see the glint of these bevels here along these triangular edges here. And that means that they are beveled down to the edge. So it's not just flat, but it's actually a more acute angle here on the inside edge, which allows it to get a little more bite from the side when you're grabbing things. And then furthermore, you see these little serrations here at the tip, which allow it to bite and grab onto splinters just a little bit better. So excellent machining and really well done. Good spring steel. And then also it comes with this little holder where the tweezers slide in, the tip is protected, and they lock in by the spring tension of the tweezers, so they're not going anywhere. You can hook this onto a keychain. You can hook it onto a little thing around your neck if you want to have like a whistle, some tweezers, a compass, something like that when you're out in the woods, just so you have the stuff you need right at hand for a day hike. But I keep one in a survival kit, a first aid kit, my bad. And uh, these don't come out at all. They stay put. They stay very secure. So these are the best, like I said, the best splinter tweezers I've ever used. And very tiny, very handy, very easy to keep around. And they come in a 2-pack. And I think it's a great, great buy.